What's up guys, Flea today with another video, and today I will be upgrading some stuff on my laptop. Nothing very intensive, just something simple and easy. I'm installing a 128 gig, wait, no, this is not 128 gigs, 120 gig SSD into my laptop and a CD drive slot. If you remember in a previous video that I made, I opened up my laptop and I showed you guys that my laptop has a slot for a DVD drive, but it doesn't. So I bought this bracket so I can put in a SSD. So I made a gamble when I bought this. So there are two sizes for DVD caddy drives. So I do not know which one can exactly fit in my laptop, so I just took a chance. There's a big one and there's a small one. I bought the big one because I thought it would fit on my laptop. So today we're gonna figure out if it really does and if I wasted my money. This thing was 200 Rand and the SSD was about the caddy was 200 Rand and the SSD was 340 Rand. I did ask them that can I try it out on my laptop, and if it doesn't fit, can I go back and get the smaller one that will probably fit, and they said yes, as long as I don't damage the packaging that much. They did offer to open up my laptop and check which one will fit, but they said they will charge me extra for that, so I was like, no, I will do this myself because I'm a genius and I know what I'm talking about, and this is my laptop. So yeah, let's get on with the video. So here we go, we got the caddy, we got the SSD. So let me just open up the caddy first. Alright, gotta make sure I don't damage the packaging. So here it is. Ideally the hard drive is just supposed to slot in there. So here we got the caddy, there. Actually, these guys Oracle look like they make a lot of products, because they made this hard drive encasement here, and they made this USB adapter of mine here, and my brother also has like a 2.5-inch hard drive enclosure from them as well. So we're just gonna open this. 128 gigs up to 530 megabits per second, up to 20% faster than your typical hard drive. There we go. Got the SSD. Gonna cut it here. It's a SanDisk SSD. I actually own a lot of USBs from SanDisk. Alright. Move that way. This out. Right, here we go. We've got the SSD right there, solid state drive. Remove this before installing. Remove that. Put it to the side. So I would assume that this just goes in like that. Pop that out. This thing is super light. It is super light compared to my hard drives there. It's super light. So now we're gonna unscrew my laptop, which this is not my first rodeo at doing this. Remove that under here. Remove that. Then after that, you just unscrew. I'm just gonna take it off to the side there. Now, as I'm I'm doing this, I'm really hoping that that actually fits. And this is a part where it gets really annoying. So from here I have to like basically pry my screwdriver in between here just to get it out, just to get everything of the laptop out. Here we've got 2 RAM cards and hard drive. Truth.
Hoping I could learn a bit about how to give and take. But since I came here, I felt the joy.
Okay, so what I'm trying to do here is that I'm thinking by getting rid of this casing, it might fit in. Might. So don't take my word for it. As you can see, I'm kinda shivering here. Because after this, I'm gonna have to go back there and ask them, may I please have the small version? It did not fit in my laptop, because it looks like this can fit in my laptop, but it's a bit of a thick boy. It's thick. So after this. So this is all that is remaining at this point. So I basically took that entire thing, I stripped it, and this is all that's left. I assume I'm gonna have to tape that down with something. Okay, I'm back with some red tape to tape that down, and let me put in the SSD. Story learned here. Most likely just go to the shop and make them measure it for you. I'm not even sure if this thing is gonna work properly. And here I am, I've dismantled the entire bracket. Yeah, that looks super sturdy. Nothing better than a homemade job. So now I got this entire bracket, which I was supposed to use to install that entire thing, but it was a bit too thick. So now I'm gonna put this back together and see if it actually, see if the SSD is actually functioning properly. Okay, so it looks like I've ran into a slight problem, minor problem, nothing major at all. So if you see when my laptop closes, right, this mesh was basically put here to prevent me from putting this. So I can try put it back on, but that is stopping me unless I can break off part of this mesh. So it looks like I can break off this mesh. It is stopping me from putting it back in. But for your average consumer, I would not recommend any of this. I honestly do not recommend this. So if you're planning on doing this and your laptop does have this, I actually do not recommend you do any of this. I really do not recommend you do any of this. Don't follow a dumbass like me. Alright, looks like it finally fit. Like, goddamn, I cut my finger. I've had to dismantle the drive enclosure or the bracket. I've mutilated my laptop. Okay, now for the moment of truth. Okay, so I finished installing the hard drive. I just had to go into the Windows BIOS, then I had to go to manage, then I had to format the file, convert it into an NTFS file system, and then it all worked out. Now it is reading as a 111 gigabyte SSD. Obviously the other 9 gigs was used for system storage and other files such as that, but basically what I've learned from this is that actually, I learned nothing. I honestly learned nothing. I opened up my laptop, I mutilated some of it by dismantling that plastic. Then I flippin' destroyed the drive bracket. I mean, this is all that's left of it. I'm probably gonna screw it back later. Then I put all of that in the laptop, and I had to keep the hard drive in place using questionable methods. By questionable methods, I mean I use tape to keep it in place. Now, do I recommend you do this? No, probably not. You might break a laptop, or you might damage some equipment. Was it fun? Oh hell yes. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Please leave a like down below and subscribe if you like this video in particular or any of my other videos, and comment and click that bell notification icon so you can be notified every time I make a new video. Peace.